Hello everyone, so welcome to another video, and today I will unbox this Elgato game capture device. So you can use this device with PS4, PS4 Pro and Xbox One S. And using this device you can live stream to Twitch or YouTube using your console. The system requirements are written here. You have Windows 10 64-bit or Mac OS Sierra. You need one USB 3.0 or 3.1 port for this device. This is the recording screen. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's unbox this. Okay, so this is the box. Let's open this sideways. The box looks good and the device is placed here. And on the left side you have some basic description on how to set up your Elgato game capture device. You have to download Elgato game capture HD software from this website, and then you can plug it in your PC to get started. So I will pull out this device. This is very small, even it's smaller than my portable SSD or hard drive. So let's place this box on the side and look at the device. Okay, on the back you have one audio in port, one USB Type-C port, one HDMI in port, and on the other side we have this HDMI out. Inside the box we have this small manual, and here in this compartment we have some cables. Okay, the next thing we have is the HDMI cable. Okay, next in the box we have this logo. This sticker, you can install this sticker on your PC or in your smartphone. So this is the basic tutorial for Game Capture HD. After plugging in your USB cable into your PC, you can open Game Capture HD to record your gameplay. And if you have plugged in all the cables correctly, you can simply watch your live gameplay on your PC. So I have plugged in HDMI cable from my PS4 to Elgato game capture device, and then I have plugged in the USB cable into my PC, and it's showing the live preview of PS4 Pro.
everything we can from them!
To be fair. Matuidi. Well, great read there to intercept. A new Champions League season is always taken seriously by management at Bayern, and it really is remarkable. Dybala! A brisk start and a quick goal.
Well, the manager would have said, keep it tight at the back and see if you can nick an early goal, and he certainly has done. Let's have another look at this. He wasn't expecting the ball, but when it comes to him, he chooses early to volley it. What a finish.
And the goal that was scored, well worth another look, Lee. And they're back playing again. Juve with the lead here. Matuidi, there's no doubt about it, the UEFA Champions League has come a long way since it came into existence back in 1992-93, and Ronaldo feeds it, and the defender finding a solution to the problem. Dybala, Pjanic now Matuidi. Here's Khedira, and foiled by Boateng. And that is offside.
Hello there.